Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wonder what happens to a potential new medicine before it even gets close to clinical trials or hitting pharmacy shelves? There's a whole critical stage that lays the groundwork for a safe and effective drug. Today, we're diving into preformulation in pharmaceutics. So, what exactly is preformulation? Well, it all begins when a newly synthesized drug shows significant promise in animal models. Think of it as the drug's first detailed physical and chemical checkup. This stage is all about understanding the fundamental properties of the drug substance before it's turned into a pill, syrup, or injection. This investigation is generally broken down into three main areas: bulk characterization, solubility analysis, and stability analysis. Let's break them down. Part 1: Bulk characterization. First up, bulk characterization. This is all about understanding the drug in its solid form, usually as a powder. Scientists look at several key things. Crystallinity and polymorphism. We'll dive deeper into this fascinating topic in a bit, but essentially, it's about the drug's crystal structure. Hygroscopicity. This checks how much moisture the drug absorbs from the air. Too much, and it could become unstable or difficult to handle. Fine particle characterization. Scientists examine the size and shape of the drug particles. This impacts how well it dissolves and gets absorbed by the body. Bulk density. This tells us how tightly packed the powder is, which is important for manufacturing processes like making tablets. Powder flow properties. How well does the powder flow? This is crucial for consistent dosing in manufacturing. Imagine trying to make identical tablets with a powder that clumps and sticks. Part 2: Solubility analysis. Next, we have solubility analysis. For a drug to work, it usually needs to dissolve in the body's fluids. So, understanding its solubility is paramount. Key aspects here include ionization constant, pK, and pH solubility profile. This looks at how acidic or basic the drug is and how its solubility changes at different pH levels, like those found in different parts of your digestive system. Common ion effect, KSP, solubility product constant. This explores how the presence of other common ions might reduce the drug's solubility. Thermal effects. How does temperature affect solubility? Some drugs dissolve better in warmer conditions, others in cooler. Solubilization. If a drug doesn't dissolve well, scientists explore various techniques to improve its solubility. Partition coefficient. This measures how the drug distributes itself between an oily phase and a watery phase. It helps predict how well the drug might pass through cell membranes and get absorbed. Dissolution. This is the rate at which the drug dissolves. It's not just about if it dissolves, but how quickly. Part 3: Stability analysis. Finally, stability analysis. We need to ensure the drug remains safe and effective from the moment it's made until it's used by a patient. This means checking its stability under various conditions. Stability in toxicology formulations, ensuring the drug is stable in the forms used for animal safety studies. Solution stability and pH rate profile. How stable is the drug when dissolved in a liquid, and how does pH affect its degradation rate? Solid state stability. How stable is the drug in its solid powder form over time? Bulk stability, looking at the stability of the raw drug material itself before it's mixed with anything else. Compatibility. This is a big one. How does the drug interact with other ingredients, known as excipients, that might be used in the final medicine? We don't want any unwanted reactions. Crystallinity and polymorphism. Now, let's circle back to crystallinity and polymorphism, which we mentioned under bulk characterization. These are super important concepts. Crystallinity refers to the structural order of a solid. Think of the habit. This is its outer appearance or external structure. Like how salt crystals can be cubic. And the crystal, this is its inner appearance or internal structure, the actual arrangement of molecules. So, what is polymorphism? The text defines it clearly. The state of a substance existing in more than one crystalline form is called polymorphism. Imagine a single drug substance being able to form different types of crystals. These different forms are called polymorphs. And here's the crucial part: different polymorphs of the same drug can have vastly different properties. This includes their melting point, solubility, stability, and even how well they are absorbed by the body. This can make a huge difference in how effective a drug is. There are two main classifications of polymorphism. 1. Enantiotropic. With these, one polymorph can be reversibly changed into another by varying temperature or pressure. A classic example is sulfur, which can exist in different crystal forms depending on the temperature. 2. Monotropic. In this case, one polymorphic form is unstable at all temperatures and pressures. The change is irreversible. An example given is glyceryl stearates. Once it changes from its unstable form, it won't go back. Understanding and controlling polymorphism is vital in drug development to ensure consistency and a predictable therapeutic effect. Choosing the right polymorphic form can be the key to a successful drug product. Conclusion and outro. So, there you have it. Preformulation is an intensive, data-driven phase that forms the bedrock of drug development. By thoroughly characterizing the bulk properties, solubility, and stability of a new drug candidate, and by understanding complex aspects like crystallinity and polymorphism, scientists can make informed decisions to design a safe, effective, and stable medicine. It's a lot of meticulous work, but it's absolutely essential. What are your thoughts on preformulation? Any questions? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on pharmaceutical science, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching.